Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a fun experiment in the library. This is actually an experiment you can do at home if you have enough books or dominoes. So, you see this big expanse of empty space? We're going to use it to do book dominoes. All right. So, I'm going to get some books. And I'll be right back for book dominoes. All right, I'm back with a giant cart of books for book dominoes. Fun fact, this part of the cart are some of our tween books. So if you didn't know, we actually created a section just for students entering middle school or 5th grade who have maybe outgrown the children's books but are not quite ready for the YA section. So we have a tween section, which is super exciting. I also, on the other carts, want to be using some of these cute picture books. And they are from our new section just for dinosaur, transportation, and sports picture books, which is cool. All right, let's begin to set these dominoes up. While I set up, I'm going to talk a little bit about the science behind dominoes. So, gravity is very important for dominoes. Gravity is the force that pulls a knocked over domino toward Earth, sending it crashing into the next domino and setting off a chain reaction. Standing a domino upright gives it potential energy or stored energy based on its position. When the domino falls, this potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, which is a fancy way of saying the energy created due to motion. Falling dominoes slide against one another, and their bottoms slip against the surface that they're on. Both of these movements are called create friction. Finally, all of the science that I've been talking about is known as physics. All right, now for the fun part, which is book dominoes. But not that science isn't fun, because it is. All right, so right now, my book dominoes are itty bitty, but soon the space will be full. So far I've done some Artemis Fowl, some Land of Stories, some Gregory. Some pretty good series are being repurposed as dominoes for today. All right, I'm gonna keep going and then I'll check back in when I have some more dominoes set up, because I'm sure you don't want to watch like hours of me just picking on books and putting them down. I lift things up, put them down. Ready to see the progress that I've made on all the book dominoes? All right. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, 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 dun. I'm hoping that curve works. And yeah, I'll be back with more updates. Au revoir. So it's looking good, but as you can see, there is one spot that gave me a little error, so I'm gonna fix that spot. That was not planned. All right, time to fix that corner. So fun fact that I learned, the older the book, the more not useful it is for book dominoes. So the new books are really good because they stand up straight. The older books, not so good because they're more unwieldy and they lean. Do you think you know why that is? I would say my guess is that the newer books, since they haven't been checked out as much, the pages are still perfectly glued to the binding. And I would say the older books, time and love has worn them down. The pages kind of fall out, as you can see from this one. See? It's basically like womp womp, falling out. Kind of crooked too on the side. But this one is pretty straight. Straight, not straight, straight, not straight. All right, I've been making progress. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Lots of progress. All right, I'll keep you posted. There's so many cool books that I want to read. Like, look at this one, Cats versus Robots. That looks pretty cool. The Addison Cook looks pretty cool. We got some awesome Star Wars books. Awesome books. Books are amazing. All right. Time to keep on keeping on. V, I'll be back. All right, it is looking good. As you can see, it's grown quite considerably. And I will continue to keep on keeping on with these dominoes. Right, and we're resuming recording. Hello, world. I'll get some more blocks. Okay. I'm back here. Hey, I have a suggestion. Wait, go for it. So this is something that has a French cholesterol. No, the paper. No shots fired. Yeah, no, she would. She probably wouldn't help.
So we talked about different ways to make a ring.
Oh, and Michelle, it is recording right now.
Oh, hi.
Sorry.
We're going to be making a
almost
ramp.
fell over.
We're doing
Oh,
a
no.
discussion on how we're making the ramp. Here I go.
Oh,
I didn't touch it. I didn't know, but the camera was on.
I told we need, we have breaks.
I don't know fall between them.
Well,
This is why I started early.
We need to put this, we need to check the camera. But I just told them that we're gonna film it, and they'll be surprised.
Okay.
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Thank you.
That's a good idea, putting on breaks.
That was Linda's contribution.
Yeah.
Thank you, Linda, for the break idea.
And you know why I came up with this ramp steps, the steps to the ramp.
I like that.
Yeah, I thought that was a good idea.
Do you want help fixing it?
yeah.
That's why I started early. I was just like, do you want to know what this happened to me? 4 times today.
Really?
4 times. No, it's okay. It happens to, it just happens. Usually it's like one particular book.
Yeah, I took off one book because it just didn't sit right with me.
Yeah, like you're like, I feel like you're gonna cause me trouble and you're evil.
Exactly.
That's what
Book you don't like. It happens.
I think it's this one. I'm like, I feel like you're gonna cause me trouble, book. Oh, hold on a second. Gonna pause.